Lord Shiva, the destroyer, his cosmic dance has the power to convert the existence of whole universe to non-existent. Shivopasana mantra begins with 22 names of Lord Shiva, in which each name ends with Namaha. Na means not and Maha means me. It represents I am not bound by this worldly bondage. I accept I am a soul. Proper recitation of this mantra brings sound health, wealth, long life, happiness, peace, prosperity, and satisfaction. Namaha, the Lord of dissolution of the universe. Namaha Shiva, who puts an end to the Lord of Death by granting us immortality. Namaha, the highest principle. Namaha, the Linga, which is the embodiment of Urdhva. Namaha, one who is beneficial and charming to all creatures. Namaha, the one who is visualized as a linga made of gold. Namaha, one who is endowed with attractive splendor of an excellent color. Namaha, the linga which is the embodiment of splendor.
नमामीशमीशान निर्वाणरूपं विभुं व्यापकं ब्रह्मवेदस्वरूपं.
Namaha, the one who is very embodiment of divinity. Namaha, the linga which is the embodiment of Divya. Namaha, the one who destroys the cycle of birth and death and provides us immortality. Namaha, the linga which is the embodiment of Baba. Namaha, the one who is the suppressor of the universe at the final time of dissolution. Namaha, the linga which is the embodiment of Sarva. Namaha, the one who is most auspicious of all. Namaha, the linga which is the embodiment of auspiciousness. Namaha, the one who is as splendorous as flame. Namaha, the linga which is the embodiment of Jwala. Namaha, the one who is the spirit dwelling in all beings. Namaha, the Atmalinga which is concealed in the heart of all beings, being the most self. Namaha, the one who is unsurpassed. Namaha, the linga which is the supreme lord of bliss and liberation. Holding the linga in the hand, these 22 holy names or mantras are recited to consecrate and install the linga. This linga embodies the sun and the moon. After the linga is installed, the 5 faces of linga are worshipped in the following verses.
Satyo jatam prapadyami satyo jataya vai namo namaha.
It is the prayer to the western face, named Sadhyajatam. I take refuge in the Sadhyajatam, who is the source of all existence. Verily Namaha, again and again. Do not consign me to repeated birth.
Bhave bhave nati bhave bhavasvamam. Bhavodbhavaya namaha.
Lead me beyond birth into the state of bliss and liberation. Namaha, the one who can lead me through the cycle of birth and death.
वामदेवाय नमो ज्येष्ठाय नमः श्रेष्ठाय नमो रुद्राय नमः कालाय नमः कलविकरणाय नमो बलविकरणाय नमो बलाय नमो बलप्रमथनाय नमः सर्वभूतदमनाय नमो मनोन्मनाय नमः.
It is a prayer to northern face named Vamadeva. Your Vamadeva denotes who is beautiful and effulgent. Jyeshtha denotes who is ever in existence, even before creation. Shrestha, who is noble, most worthy and excellent. Rudra, who is the cause of beings to weep at the time of dissolution. Kala, Lord of time or one who transcends time. Kalavikarana, who causes many changes in the evolution of the universe. Balavikarana, who is the source of many varieties and degrees of strength. Balaya, who is the source of many strengths. Balapramathanaya, who surpasses all strength at the time of dissolution. Sarva Bhutadamanaya, who is the ruler of all created beings. Manunmanaya, who kindles the light of soul.
अघोरेभ्यो धघोरेभ्यो घोरघोरतरेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः सर्वसर्वेभ्यो नमस्ते अस्तु रुद्ररूपेभ्यः.
It is a prayer to the southern face named Aghora. Namaha to all forms of Rudra, Ghora, Aghora and Ghoratara. To all these forms, benign, splendid and destructive. At all times and all places I surrender. Where Ghora and Aghora denotes two aspects of Shiva, creation and dissolution of universe.
तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्र प्रचोदयात्.
It is a prayer to eastern face. May we know or realize the Supreme Person. For that, may we meditate upon Lord Mahadev. May Lord Rudra fertilize our intellect, so that our intelligence blossoms into wisdom and we get enlightened.
ईशानः सर्वविद्यानाम् ईश्वरः सर्वभूतानाम्.
It is the prayer of above facing, named Ishana. The Supreme is the ruler of all knowledge and controller of all created beings.
ब्रह्माधिपति ब्रह्मणोऽधिपति ब्रह्मा शिवो मे अस्तु सदा शिवो.
The Supreme is the Lord of Vedas and those who impart the knowledge of Vedas. May that Supreme be benign to me. I am the Sadashiva, described thus and denoted by Om. Here the sadhaka realizes that he is Shiva. All the description given through the 5 mantras is the description of his true self as Atma, which is Param Shiva. Everything is Param Shiva.
नमो हिरण्यवाहवे हिरण्यवर्णाय हिरण्यरूपाय हिरण्यपतये अम्बिकापतय उमापतये पशुपतये नमो नमः.
Namaha to one who has golden hands, who is the golden hue, or whose speech is charming, who is of golden form, or whose form is charming, who is the Lord of wealth and good, who is the Lord of Mother Ambika and Uma, who is the Lord of all beings. My Namaha to that Supreme Person, who is the embodiment of cosmic order and truth, whose complexion is both black and orange red. Here, Urdhvaretam means who is a great yogi or one who has highest power. Virupaksham, who has an odd number of eyes. Vishwarupaya, one whose cosmic form envelops the entire universe.
सर्वो वै रुद्रस्तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु पुरुषो वै रुद्रस्तन्महो नमो नमः.
Verily, all this is Rudra, Namaha Rudra. The great Purusha is himself Rudra, who is the light within all beings, Namaha Rudra.
विश्वं भूतं भुवनं चित्रं बहुधा जातं जायमानं जगत् सर्वोऽख्येष रुद्रः तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु.
This material universe and the beings in this world are varied and numerous. All that are born and those yet to be born are Rudra. All this is Rudra and to him, Namaha, again and again.
रुद्राय प्रचेतसे नीलुष्टमाय तव्यसे वोचे मशन्तमगुं हृदे सर्वोऽख्येष रुद्रस्तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु.
We pray to Rudra, who is praiseworthy, who is endowed with knowledge and awareness, who fulfills all desires, who is all powerful, who bestows all auspiciousness, who resides in the earth. All this is Rudra. Namaha to Rudra.